Hello and welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. This is a video tutorial about images and how to upload them to your business content management area. The site allows premium plans to upload business images to their profile. The standard allows 5 images, the advanced allows 10 images, and the professional provides the ability to upload 20 images. Images can be workmanship products. Images might be about your workmanship. Images might be about your workmanship, your products. Could be food dishes, could be hotel rooms, or treatment areas, which all provide extra reasons why the consumer should select you. The business owner must compress the photos or they will load incorrectly. If the business has images on its website and a professional plan, a better way is to provide a direct link to your website where the photos are stored. Thank you for listening to this video.